Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 update error, that is 0x80080005. So if you are receiving this error code when updating Windows 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. Now go to System and then select Troubleshoot. So click on Troubleshoot over here and then click on Other Troubleshooter. And now over here you can see Windows Update. So click on Run. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 11. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and use Windows 11 Installation Assistant to update your Windows 11. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website here, you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So click on Download Now. Now once you run the exe file, it will go ahead and launch the Windows 11 Installation Assistant and it will go ahead and check for update. And then you can go ahead and update your Windows 11. Now still you're receiving the error message. In that case, you can go ahead and use Media Creation tool to update your Windows. So on the same website, scroll down. Here you can see Media Creation tool. So click on Download Now. And once the download is complete, run the exe file. And once you run this exe file, you will see this screen. So click on Accept. And by default, Windows 11 would be selected. So click on Next. And then select ISO file over here. And then click on Next. You can save it to desktop. And now you can go ahead and click on Save. Now once the download is complete, you can go ahead and click on Finish and then go to the desktop. Now over here you can see Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Now make a double click on Setup file, and this will click on Yes to allow, and this will load Windows 11 on the computer now. And you will see the install option. So here you can see install Windows 11. So click on Next, and it will go ahead and check for update. Now this process will take some time. Now before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so you can go ahead and click on install, and after the installation you can log into your computer and your Windows 11 should be up to date and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.